Man, I'm the broadcaster.
Well, the responsibility. No, everyone's too scared to approach me. What up?